Alright, so I got my Jazza Customize It kit a while ago, actually. But I'm just opening it now, and it's probably not going to be the best unboxing video, but I'm going to do my best. Alright, so I haven't even opened up the box it came in, and I am using a butter knife to open this because I am fancy folk. Alright, whoops. Alright, let's just take that out. See how it's packaged. Alright, we're just breaking apart the box. That works. Boom. There it is. Alright, so as you can see, this is how it looks all around. It's not taped here, so you could just flip it open, I'm assuming. Okay. Okay, maybe not just flip it open, but, okay, ooh, okay. I think that's supposed to say awesome, yep. And there we go. Oh, so you get a guidebook. Very cool. Let's see. What is that? Okay. So you get skateboards, little finger skateboards that you could customize. It's like a little tool and everything. I'm sure my son would love it. What is this? Oh, okay. All right. Oh, how cute. So, get this holder with sunglasses in it. Okay. Okay, it's wood. You know, in the videos I was wondering what this was made of. I thought it was plastic because you couldn't really tell. Maybe they said. I just wasn't paying attention. I do that sometimes. But, get this out of the way. But yeah, this is actually wood. Okay, that's kind of cool actually. I prefer it better than plastic. I think I would say it's balsa wood. I could be wrong. I may not know my trees, but it's pretty lightweight. It's very lightweight. Very cool. Infinity cube. Neat. Okay. I am going to open it. I feel it is plastic. Not that it matters. Yep, it's plastic. But that's cool. So you can paint on it. All your different designs. Very cool. These, I don't know what these are supposed to be. I'll have to look at the guidebook. Okay, maybe you guys know, but I'll figure that out later. Okay, now I'm excited about. These are acrylic markers, and I really have not worked with acrylic markers before, so this would be fun. I do love working with acrylic paint, so I'm very curious to see how these will work. Acrylic markers, neon, and sort of pastel with some neutral colors. Oh, then you got your primary. Yep, neat. Oh, paint brushes. So I guess you can use them with acrylic markers. I'm gonna have to look this up because really I haven't worked with acrylic markers before, so I'm curious. Ooh, clear varnish. That is always a good thing in a kit that has paints or markers. Varnish is amazing. Gesso. I think that's how you say it. I could never figure it out. I think it's gesso though. Yeah. Also, very cool stuff. Pins for things. Oh, wait. Are they for these? I don't know what they are. I really don't. I don't. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Oh, okay. So this is a case of some kind using my detective skills. Okay, so is it for the paintbrushes? Maybe, I don't know. Yes, I think so. Or maybe for pencils. I don't know. I guess you just do whatever you want with it. But definitely, yeah, you could definitely paint on this. Not like ultra smooth. There's a little bit of grit. Okay. I love this. You can paint your own journal. Once again, I'm assuming it's a journal. I haven't looked inside of it, but looks like a journal. Yep, or a sketchbook. I guess a sketchbook would make more sense. Let's see how the paper is. Ooh, okay. Paper. Yeah, you could definitely draw on the paper. I would have to experiment, but I think you could paint pretty easily on it without it going through too much. Like, I mean, if you're digging in, it'll probably go through, but I think it'd work. I would have to experiment. Oh, do you see that? Can you see that? Do you see what it says? This is shrink film. Oh, yes. I'm going to make use of that. My inner kid is very excited right now. Love this stuff. It's a straw. Okay, because I'm right. Yep. The container. So you could customize your own drinking container. That's really cool. Yay! But yeah, that was the box. Probably gonna do a project with it, but for now, it was just unboxing. I think it's a pretty cool kit. I love that you have so many things to customize. Lots of options. Just curious how it will work out. That's it. Ta-da!